how to log out your account on Changelly. Are you guys facing issues to log out your account on Changelly app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, search for Changelly app or website. After you enter the website, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Just simply click on it. After you click on it, you'll be provided with four options: history, settings, for partners, and last option, logout. We are looking to log out your account, right? Just select the last option and click on it. After you click on logout, your account will be instantly logged out from Changelly application or website. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna log out your account in Changelly. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding Changelly application, make sure to comment down below. I'll be happy to help you guys out. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.